Yo, the okra going crazy, son. Let's see what we got. We'll see what we're working with. We got 1-piece okra, 2-piece okra, 3-piece okra. We even got some okra growing in right here. Okra, 2, 1, another 5, 6. Then we got 7, 8. So would you say okra is a good yield? Yes. Okra is a good yield. There's even some coming down here. Okra. So yes, I would definitely recommend growing okra. We got okra going crazy over here. Somebody let me know, man, what is a good mixture of I seen a guy on YouTube the other day. He was mixing up some fertilizer juice. He was about to puke mixing it up in the process. Let me know, how can I get some of that juice? But anyway, yeah, man, the okra growing crazy. We got okra. Okra is one of my favorites. You ever had fried okra? Then you know what I'm talking about. Okra is delicious. So yeah, the okra is going crazy. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 okra plants on the farm right now. 16 okra plants. What in the world is that? Yeah, we got 16 okra plants. These ones aren't growing as good, but they're growing. So yeah, I would say okra is a good yield, man. So we'll probably get some more okra seeds for sure. And hell, we'll probably do a whole bigger bin with just okra. Just fill it up with some okra. Because I know okra grows very well. Okra grows very well. So I'm gonna stick with the okra, but we're gonna grow other stuff. But my thing is, I can use more help on the farm. My help left, so I'm gonna need more helpers. So yeah, we're gonna get some more of these bins like this, but bigger. Matter of fact, what I do is, let's pull this one over here. In fact, we're gonna pull that right there. We're gonna fill that up with okra. Next time y'all see this video, I'm gonna come in with the soil, and I'm gonna fill that one up with okra too. That way we be straight on okra. I don't have to worry about okra. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. The okra going crazy. A lot of my stuff died. We're gonna come back in with a whole fresh harvest. And yeah, man, I'm trying, man. I gotta keep pushing. I'm trying. First thing first, I gotta get this YouTube ready to go. I gotta get this YouTube situated. But yeah, look at this. Going crazy, man. Going crazy. Like, comment, subscribe. And we out.